Okay, so guys, today welcome once again on my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how to download Xender app from Play Store. So if you like this video, just give us the thumbs up and also share this video to your friends who also want to learn how to how to use their mobile phone and how to fix some petty problems on their mobile phone. So without wasting much time, let's move out. So first of all, go to your phone menu and scroll to search for Google Play Store. So when you see Google Play Store, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to wait for it to load. So when after loading, what you have to do is to tap on the search app to search for Xender. So just search. So after searching, you're going to see it over here. So just tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is to tap on install. So just wait. You can see it's pending to just start downloading right now. So just wait so for some while. Okay, so it has started downloading, and it have moved from 0 to 22 and 22 to 48 and 48 to 82, and now it's around 100%. So it didn't take much time because the network is moving very fast and everything is working very fast. So now it is installing, so let's wait. So Xender is a video sharing, or like it's a sharing app that you can use to share music, photos, document, application, music, anything that you want to share to someone, you can share it with Xender. So what you guys have to do is both of you have to be using the app, or both of you have to download the app, and after that you just connect it and share, and it's very fast. It's faster than you using Bluetooth. Yeah, at first we used Bluetooth, but now things has changed and everyone is using Xender. So Xender is one of the best app for Android users and also iOS users. Yeah. So after that, installing it, just tap on the open section to open it. I just want you guys to see how the apps looks like. So when you open it, this is what you're going to see. What you have to do is to just read through. After reading through, just tap on it or toggle it and tap on allow to allow their privacy and policy. So after that, it says allow Xender to access this device location. So Xender want to access my location, so let's allow. So when you allow, and this one also pop up, allows Xender to access photos, media and files on your device. So you have to allow it so that you'll be able to send and also receive from others. So as you can see at the top over here, it's on. So it says was transfer fast cross platform. Yeah, Xender is one of the fast transferring app. So it says connect to PC, geophone easy. So you can also connect it to PC, and it's very fast. So if you like Xender, rate 5 stars. So if you want to rate, you can rate it on Play Store. Yeah, for them to rank high. So as you can see, it's much over here. This one says connect. So that's where you can